Hi again. So now we have a basic understanding of Python fundamentals. We have to go and make some practice, of course. And here is the fun part. ChatGPT will be your tutor available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. It's really like magic. But you have to know how to make good questions, to get good answers. In this video, we'll talk about how to generate good exercises to practice the basics of Python. So here I made a simple prompt. Give me an exercise to practice Python loops. So you have to be a little bit precise. Don't say just give me an exercise to practice Python because it will be something very general. So go through the basics one by one, practice loops, practice functions, every type of loop, practice data types, practice every lecture we made in the first section. But here it will give you just an exercise, a generic exercise with no instructions, with no details, without explaining the steps he made to answer this exercise. So we can do much more better with another prompt. And here is my prompt. I said, act like an experienced Python teacher. Give me a real life problem because real life problems will help you understand more Python and understand more the utility of Python. That can be solved with Python loops. I said include different steps for problem solving thinking with details because here one of the most important things is to learn how to think to solve the problem you have. And then I said, go step by step and see here the answer. It's totally different. It's given me, first of all, the problem, and then the step one, detailed, the answer detailed, define the problem and requirements. What you have to do, the problem is, the inputs are a list of integers. So what are the data types you have to choose to solve this problem? And then write the code to take input from the user. The second step. The third step is you have to write the code to find pairs of integers that add up the target value, and then so on for the other steps. So it gives you a very detailed answer. And the small tip here, don't just go copy the code and paste it in Jupyter Notebook and run it. You won't learn this way. So make your own solution and then check with ChatGPT for the answer, and then go and write the solution by yourself. Don't copy and paste, because by writing the solution by yourself, you will make mistakes. And with the mistakes, you will learn. This is a key point. Please don't copy and paste. And if you have any trouble, you can use ChatGPT to debug your code, and we will see that in the next video. In case you don't understand something, of course, you can ask it and it will make things clearer to you. For example, here, if you don't understand what's this split, you can go down and ask it, what does mean split? You can copy your code, paste it here, and ask it, what does mean split? And it's explaining what is split. So with the examples, and here the split function is used to split a string into a list of substrings based on a specified delimiter. And in this case, it's being used to split the user input string into a list of integers. Another thing you can do here is to ask it to give you a certain number of exercises to practice something in Python and making them from the easiest to the hardest. And this will help you really to upgrade your level in each concept in Python and making progress step by step. So this is for exercise generation with ChatGPT. I wish you found this helpful. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.